All right, so a few days ago, we were playing on the snow. Actually, yesterday, we were playing on the snow. Today, we were playing on the sand, and Colby, I guess he decided not to go that time, but we're out on the sand, having a blast. Colby's on the bike, riding the Husky TC250. Recently got it from JMC Motorsports. Joel and Michelle are awesome people. So we love to support our local power sports store. And I'm out in the X3 bombing around. Been kind of fun. Anyway, weather's not ideal. Temperature's about 38. A little foggy. The fog's kind of lifted though. Here comes Colby. That's kind of cool. He's getting to know that bike. It's only about a week, maybe a week and a half old. I don't remember. Stick around with us. We'll see what else we can get ourselves into today.